Hey guys, welcome back to another pack opening. So today we will be opening another single pack of Silver Tempest. Let's go. So yeah, another mega far-fetched. Okay, yeah, this promo card looks to be in a better condition. So we do have the issue one Basculin. How about the back? Yeah, back looks fine. Let's put this in the sleeve. Here's the code card. And let's go. So we can pull the All-Star Lugia in this. A black code card. Is there a hit? Let's see. 4 from the back. Okay, we got another Dark Energy. A Halteria. Lance. Fletchender. Drowsy. Growlithe. Misdrevious. Wailmer. Elmoga. Okay, the reverse is another Halteria. Okay, and the hit is okay. We've got a Megarania V. That's nice. This is a nice hit. So do let me know, guys, what do you think about this single blister that we've opened so far. Do let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.